this ghost town? Is this the end where everything goes down? Are we gonna push through to find out? Working through all these issues, hell of a year, all the things we've been through. Are we gonna stick around to find out? We know we
Charlie Bravo, rolling good to it.
just head for brighter shores here right now. We could be something so much more than wasted times here right now. Oh, like jet planes floating through night skies, we are alive, you and I. When daylight comes in a rush, don't forget about us. We're alive, alive. Here we go on another weekend, waking up to these dead end feelings. Haven't seen you up in so long. Bloodshot eyes are sinking, and all I see is our minds thinking, talking loud but we don't hear a sound. We could be something so much more than wasted times here right now. Oh, it's like jet planes floating through night skies, we are alive, you and I. When daylight comes in a rush, don't forget about us. We're alive, like champagne over the skyline. We are alive, you and I. When daylight comes in a
Come on, you're 27 with a right on Turkish. We have got a QNH of 1019. Charlie Bravo, final 27.